every spring before visitors climb aboard the train at the BC Forest Discovery Center. An important kind of work happens behind the scenes. Across 100 acres in Duncan, British Columbia, volunteers and staff help preserve a living piece of the province's forestry history. This year, that work included rebuilding a key section of railway track. Some of the railway ties were more than 60 years old. Sections of track had shifted over time, and the curve needed to be rebuilt, realigned, and secured before the season could begin. That meant replacing ties, setting rail, and driving hundreds of spikes into place. But the challenge was not just the labor. It was getting enough compressed air to the work site. Previously, crews relied on a stationary shop compressor and portable receiver tanks. The tanks had to be filled, moved to the track, used for only a few spikes, and then taken back to refill. It worked, but barely. The process was slow, physical, and full of stops and starts. To help keep the restoration moving, VMAC provided its new G90 gas-driven air compressor with flex-drive airflow management system. Instead of moving tanks around the site, volunteers could bring continuous compressed air directly to the work. No waiting for tanks to recharge. No hauling equipment back and forth. Just air where the job needed it. The difference was immediate. With reliable air on site, volunteers could work steadily. Spiking became faster, smoother, and far less interrupted.
The big section of track we're doing right now would have taken us 3 times as long, spiking everything by hand.
Last night we came in and did some ties with the compressor, and I think we did 10 ties, and we spiked 10 ties in about, I would say about an hour and a half, 2 hours. And normally we do like 5 or 6 ties in a whole day.
For a volunteer team preparing for opening season, that kind of productivity matters. These images tell the real story. Early mornings, long days, and volunteers working until the job was done. The G90 did not replace the effort behind this restoration. It helped that effort go further. That is what good equipment should do. For the BC Forest Discovery Center, this project helped prepare the railway for another season of visitors. For the volunteers, it turned a difficult restoration job into steady, manageable work. And for every family who boards the train this year, it means another chance to experience British Columbia's forestry history in motion. When the job depends on air, bringing it directly to the work makes all the difference.